Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in the Dollar Tree and I'm basically going to focus on St. Patrick's Day, Mardi Gras, because those are the things that are coming up, Easter. So I see that they have these nice scarves right here. Those are really cute. They have those right there. Let's see here, what are these right here? These are bandanas. You get two in those, and they have them in this color here. They have them in that one. They have this scarf right here, which is very cute. Those are very nice, and you get two of each of the bandanas. They have the socks here, the low-cut socks. You get this one here. They have this one. They have these right here. They have these cute ones here, and they have these ones at the bottom here. Also, they have these table signs right here. This one says, Luck of the Irish, Irish Wishes, and Shamrock Kisses. Those are very nice. They have the tinsel garlands here. They have this one right here. And they have this one right here. They also have a lot of the window clings right here, guys. 18-piece window clings. Happy St. Patrick's Day. This one right here says Lucky. They have the kitchen towels here. Eat, drink, and be Irish. They also have this one right here. They have these little decors right here. They have the St. Patrick's Day decor. They have the ties here, the beaded ties. They have the gel stickers. They have these little wall decors right here. They also have this one right here. They have these little table decors right here, decoration. And all of these things right here they have for St. Patrick's Day. They have the DIYs here, that you can color green or whatever color you want to. They have the Happy St. Patrick's Day wall sign right here. They even have the little coins here, guys. You get 30 in each. They have these little hats right here for decor. They even have the garland ones right here. Those are very cute. They have the foam shamrock decoration here. They have the little pots right here for decor that you could put little things on the inside. They have the foam scatter right here that you can put on your tables. And they have a lot of the headbands right here. They have different ones. They have the ones with the hats, the little elf there. They have a lot of these. They have two necklaces right here. They have the LED light strings, 10 lights. They have some of the bows here. And of course they have the bigger hats down here at the bottom. And guys, I see that they have the novelty glasses here. Look how cute these are. Those are very cute. And these are some more of the headbands right here, but they have them in different ones. They also have the crowns as well. Look at those. And here's some more. So here in this section right here, we have the different masks for Mardi Gras. We have this pretty pink one right here with the feathers. We have this one right here, the purple one with the feathers. And they also have this one right here, which is very cute. But they have a lot of different ones down here at the bottom. They also have that green one there. And as you see, they have the different color hats here. Those are very nice. And look at that beautiful blue mask right there, guys, with the flower on the side. They have it in red. And they also have it in black. And we also see the little mini hats right here. You get 5 of these. They have the different color boas here. They have garlands. They have the headbands, and they have the ones with the little hats on it and with the little ears. More boas in just plain green. They have the feather boas in black and gold and silver. And more of the hats here at the bottom. They have tons and tons of beads. So you get 3 of these beads right here with the different crowns on them. You get these right here in 6. But they have a lot of the little necklaces here that we scream and holler for at the parades. They have the beaded necklaces here. They have the beaded blue necklaces here with the shot glasses. And of course they have more hats here at the bottom. They have the loot bags where you can put all of your candy and things like that you catch. They have the hats for your parties. They have the party poppers. They have the little wine party poppers here, the little wine bottles here in black, gold, and silver. They have the plates right here, the clear plastic plates. They have cups. They have the table covers here. All right, guys, so you see that they have a lot of the spring flowers out. They even have potting soil out if you're looking for potting soil for $1. They have the little decorative things you can put inside of your garden. They have this little Believe rock here. This one says Hope. They have that one right there that says Peace. This one says Bless Our Home. These are really cute. They have this one right here that says Love. Blooms here. As you can see, they have different ones. And they also have a lot of the garden snakes here. They have the little bug there. They have the frogs, the butterflies, different colors. They have the moons. All of these garden snakes right here. They also have the flowers as well. And look at the mushrooms, guys. They have them in different colors. They have this color, that pretty color, and that green color. And they also have the little L's here in blue and green. They have the frogs here in different ones. And they have a lot of the garden fences. They have the plant hooks. They have the cultivators here. They have the thermometers. They have the plant hangers where you can hang your plants in different colors. But they have a lot of things, guys. They have anything that you want to plant on the outside. They have even pots here if you want to plant your flowers in. They have the hummingbird feeders. But they pretty much have everything you need if you're wanting to start your own garden. Alright, guys, so on this little end cap right here with the Mardi Gras things here, they have some more of the garlands here with the different faces on these. And they have more of the mask here. But as I was looking, I saw these little craft stickers right here, which are very nice. And you get 80 in a pack, 58 actually. And they come in different ones. I have so many stickers right now. I've started back doing my planners and my journaling, so I don't need any more stickers. Alright, so I'm over here in the DIY section here, and I see that they have a lot of things, but they've been already tampered and they've been put all out of order. But they have these little pretty little decorative DIY projects right here where you can color this little squirrel with put the little picture inside. They have a lot of the little animated characters right here. They have this little train set right here. They have a little birdhouse. They have the crafter squares right here. Foam letter stickers. They have these stickers right here, which are very cute. You guys, look at these right here. I think I spoke too soon, but these are very nice. I may pick up this. This is a 14-piece set here. Stickers. They have these right here. They have the ones with the food. Let's see if they have any more. They have those right there. And they have the ones with the llamas. But they have a lot of stickers here, guys. I didn't realize they had so many. They have this 12 count right here with the jars. And as you can see, as I look down, I see that they have more 9 count stickers right here. They have the ones with the unicorns. They have the dinosaur ones. You know, they even have some of the patches and pins right here. I think I've seen these before. These are not new, but they're good to, like, if you want to put them on the back of your book bag or your jeans, anything of that nature. They still have the little ornament stickers here, 12 count. They have the wine glasses here. So I just wanted to just bring you down the crafter's aisle still, if you're into crafting, but they have a lot of things. If you're needing these, they have these stems here in different colors. They have the pom-poms, they have googly eyes, alphabet beads if you're looking for glitter glue. If you're looking for tape, clothespins, they have the sequence little beads there. They have the craft bead storage. They have buttons. They have the bigger buttons here. Anything that you need. They have stuff for the kiddies here. But they have a lot of things, guys, if you're into crafting. They have the chalk here. They have these sticker bracelets here. Different ones. Alright guys, so I'm back up here at the front. I think I've looked at everything that I needed to look at. I did pass this up right here. I see that they still have more of the St. Patrick's Day. They have a lot of the little pigs here. They have them in different colors. They have them in green and gold. They also have them in white. They have the rectangular table covers. They also have the party, the heavy-duty plastic cutlery set here. And they also have these bowls right here, guys. But I want to thank you for stopping by my channel today. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. As you can see, they have a lot of candies and things out for Valentine's Day. So that's coming up pretty soon. If you haven't already, you know, got your stuff for Valentine's Day. And as you can see, they have tons and tons of little boxes here. They have bins to put different things in different colors. But guys, thank you so much again for stopping by my channel, and I hope to see you guys again real soon. Bye guys.